Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get Epidemic Sound 30-day free trial. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, go ahead and click on the link in the description or in the pinned comments and you will be landed to this same exact page. Now what you'll do in here is just basically click on create free account or create right here at the very top. It's up to you. And when you go ahead and click on it, you'll be landed to the same exact page. And in here, you go ahead and continue with Google. This one is by far the easiest method, and to Apple as well. But if you want to, you can go ahead and type down your email right here manually and type down your preferred password. Now hit on continue. I'm just going to go ahead and choose to use Google right here. And then go ahead and select my preferred email. Let's say this one. And then once that's done, to get an Epidemic Sound 30-day free trial, you can just go ahead and easily click on this option right here at the very top. Okay? Or go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom left, and then go ahead and click on pricing. Now you can go ahead and choose to use the Pro version or Creator. If I were you, I'm just going to go ahead and use Pro, since you can just go ahead and cancel it in the 29th day. Okay? So get the 30-day free trial for Pro right here. Click on Get. And just like how you do it on purchasing online, setting up the payment section right here is pretty easy. And then just click on Confirm and Subscribe. And once subscribed, you'll be able to see right here on your profile that it now says Creator or Pro. And your credits right here, when you go ahead and click on it, the balance is now 250,000 instead of 5. Okay? And that is how you get an Epidemic Sound 30-day free trial. And if you want to know more about Epidemic Sound, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos about it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.